Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Carlin Abilende, 40 years old, married. I have three children, two boys, 17 and 11-year-old, and one girl, 2-year-old. I have seven siblings, and I'm the youngest of the family. I'm currently living in Piapi Uno, Hamtic, Antique. I'm a high school graduate. I don't have experience abroad, but I have 3 years and 3 months experience as domestic helper here in the Philippines. My duties are doing household chores such as cleaning the house, cooking, preparing meals, ironing clothes, do laundry, and take care of the two kids, 9 and 11-year-old, all boys. I want to work abroad because of two reasons. First, earn money for the future and needs of my children, especially for their education. Second, to help my family, sisters and brothers, especially my 79-year-old mother, financially. To my future kind-hearted employer, Mom, Sir, please choose me as your domestic helper. I'm a happy person, kind, patient, hardworking, honest, and I can work with less supervision. I promise to do my best to serve your family. Treat your children as my children too. And I will finish my 2 years contract and work as long if you needed me. I'm very much excited to be part of your family. Thank you very much and have a nice day.